You're probably thinking, why is this person washing a car that has no front end? There is a perfectly good explanation for that. So one day I was driving on the highway, and before I knew it, there was steam coming out of the engine. Then I quickly had to stop the car, park it on the side, and try and figure out what is happening, because I thought the car was on fire. Thank goodness it was not on fire. It was just a steam because the oil started boiling. As it was boiling, then it pushed out the dipstick. As a result, a lot of steam came out. So the reason for that was because the car ran out of coolant. And I didn't notice that there was a couple of leaks on the car itself. So I would top up coolant now and then, once a week, maybe every other week, maybe every 3 weeks, depending on how often I drive the car. And I honestly didn't know that there was a bit of a leak or serious leaks on the car itself. So I knew there and there that the engine was gone. Then I had to park the car, let it sit for a bit while I think about whether to sell it as is or get it repaired. So I decided, no, we are not selling the car. I'm going to give it a try and have the engine rebuilt. So this is our very first episode on the series of the Suzuki Grand Vitara engine rebuild. Now, without wasting any time, our Suzuki Grand Vitara 2009 model, and this is a petrol 2.4 liter engine. So the engine has been stripped completely, the cylinder head and block, as you saw them. Both the components have been taken to the shop, engineering shop, for skimming as well as rebuild. As soon as they are done with rebuilding, then the engine will be put together, and hopefully it will work this time around, it will work properly. So crossing fingers, hopefully everything goes as planned. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please drop your thoughts and comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe if we haven't. There's more content coming on this channel, especially since we started this series on this Suzuki Grand Vitara. Please look out for more content coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.